Okay, good morning. We're up at camp, and the plan today is hopefully to take the ramper room apart because we want to go on vacation, so we need to take the RV. And if you guys remember when we built it to be able to be removed. So that's what we're doing right now. We're getting the front of the RV cleared so we can pull the tractor in and take this apart room by room. So my brother said he wants to see how that happens. So I'm gonna go see if I have a tripod here because I don't know if I do or not. So let's see what happens.
This is what happened. Oh, I do have the header attached to the legs.
Okay, so we're inside taking the ramper room off.
Yeah, insulation fell. How'd we get this thing in here?
We put it together one piece at a time. We didn't put it together as a whole and brought it in.
That we probably had to get it through that door.
We didn't. We built it one piece at a time in here.
Really?
Yeah, really. Okay, now it's time to take the roof off, or the ceiling.
De-roofing.
The ceiling.
Lid, we'll take that down, but I got to remove the last section of pipe.
Okay.
And we'll probably go ahead and pull this out too. What's the black tape doing on the mouth here?
I don't know.
That little Harper?
Probably.
Using up my good black.
Okay. The one pipe is off. Now we'll take the ceiling off. Okay, now
I can see what I did.
Now we're outside, and we gotta unscrew the roof, and then we'll tip it off and put it on the bucket of the tractor. And no, I did not bring the tripod out here, so you're just gonna have to see it in pieces as it happens, like after the fact. Sorry. Yes, we are gonna go to the beach later today. So this holds the roof on, right?
Yep, these little trims right here. Isn't that crazy that I did it right?
You're so smart.
And then these hold the walls together. Suckers.
Now we have to take the skirting off to get to the side. Underskirting is off. Is this the last part to be able to lift the roof? Everybody, I'm going to introduce you to little Miss Harper. She's going to be our camera lady because we need a tripod. So are you going to actually film it and not get distracted? You're going to videotape it? Okay. Up, up, up. Look, it's moving.
And I'm the video taker.
Okay. All right. So you film it. See the roof?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to go inside. I'm going to go help Grandpa. Okay?
So everyone, this is the coolest. And we're going to the beach today, but we have to do this thing. And Aunt Christina's coming soon. Here you go.
Okay, I'm gonna have you do more.
Oh, right there.
So that's where the wood stove went. So now we're lifting it off because we're gonna go put it on the tractor. Oh yeah.
This is how you install your ramper room forks. Freshly built out of
the old cabin.
Old cabin wood. It goes like so.
Who needs to spend thousands of dollars and buy forks for your tractor when you have an engineer mind like yours?
Well, I'm making it harder than it needs to be. I shoved it in there too far. Hold on. So what you do, you get them. Yeah, darn it. Just like that. Okay, just like this. As soon as you can, there you go. Okay, you
So
still
it'll
recording?
wedge it.
You can probably edit out whatever I.
No, I'm not editing video anymore. They get what they get.
Okay, there we go.
And they don't throw a fit. Isn't that
Now.
right, Harper?
Now, this is what you call ramper room forks. The whole wall set on that.
Apparently I'm filming us dancing while we wait for Grandpa. Look, my hand's in front of the camera. That's hard. Here. We're dancing. Ready? Where's my feet? I guess we better get back to work. Okay, now you're gonna hold it, and you gotta focus. See right here,
Yeah.
up on the.
Yeah.
I want you watching this, the roof.
Okay.
Did I keep recording?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now it's strapped to his forks. One down, 3 more to go. Now, if you're wondering, what are we gonna do with this now? Like, that was money invested. Well, it is now gonna become Harper's clubhouse at the little house in town. So we're gonna turn it into a cute little playhouse, and it'll be insulated. Okay, now we're gonna take the sidewalls off.
Yeah, those are big ones.
Okay, ready to take this wall off. It's all unscrewed. The last screw holding that wall up.
These are the best lags ever.
Why are they the best lags ever?
Big flange heads, nice deep threads. They hold. They hold in a tempered steel.
Okay, put RA hooks on it in the beginning
These are my handles, so
Yep.
that we can handle it.
so we can handle it.
Well, I think that's how we got the name handles.
Okay, so now we're just gonna lift this up, sit on the tractor and tip it back.
I'm gonna slide it this way and then we'll put it up.
Okay. Okay. We have it slid over to the tractor forks. And away it goes to go on to the trailer over there to go to the little house. Okay, we're down to the last wall, picking it up, bringing it to the tractor, taking it over there. And Harper is quite content. Can you see her through the window? Playing in her little pool. We need to go get more water and bring it for her little tiny pool. Okay, it is down. So all that's left to do is close the gate and go on vacation. And now we are gonna go get water so we can put more water in Harper's little pool over there. And we're gonna go to the beach because we're right by the lake.
We're roasting.
And it's hot. So it's time to take a break and go have fun. Okay, bye you guys. What are you doing? First day at the beach for the summer. We're at the lake. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Is it cold?
No. That's cold anymore.
No, you got used to it?
You have to build my stick set.
Can you do it? Can you do it? So close. You're singing Into the Unknown? Okay, so you guys pulled up the floor.
Oh man, this is soft ground. It's like moon dirt.
Of course. Biohazard. There's more.
Oh wow, wait a minute.
And there's plumbing.
You know what you're gonna have to do before when you get this all ripped up? You're gonna have to get your metal detector.
That's this is water pipe, water line. They had a well or something coming off the creek.
Oh, maybe that's
A little
what.
pump coming off the creek, and that's how they were bathing. They were just pumping water out of the creek.
Good job, baby.
Almost done.
Ooh.
Open concept.
This is all that is left of the cabin.
These are good boys. Good boys. Emmett, are you a good boy? Yeah.
Good boy. You're a good boy too, Kimmy. Yeah. Good boy. Yeah. Dad being stubborn.
Don't stand underneath that log.
Yes, sir.
And the walls came tumbling down to the ground to get out of the rain.
I ditched it. I saw the walls falling. I was like, nope, I'm gone.